In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Beetle key fob. One thing to note here is that there are two Volkswagen key fobs that look almost exactly the same, but as you can see, I have the indicator light down here in the middle kind of part of the key fob. If your light is up here, it is actually a different device and the process to open it up is different. So this is not the correct video for you. Go check down in the description, and that link will take you right over to a video just like this one, showing you how to open the other key fob. Also, there's another one, could be easily confused with this one, but this has the kind of circular buttons here. That's also a different video, and that will be in the description as well. So we're going to be doing this key fob here, the indicator light right there, and it is a very easy process. All you will need is one CR2032 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can get them online, and they're pretty cheap. So you can go check out that link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. First step, flip out the key. You can see in the middle here, you can see there's an indentation. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, find that slot in there, just push your your screwdriver in there and twist. Just twisting like that, and you can see it will open right up for you. We're going to be working with this part that has the buttons on it. And what we want to do is pry this open. You can do that with your fingers, or you can come in and just kind of push it apart with your screwdriver, which is a little bit easier. And now open this up. We have access to the battery. Using the same tool, you can find, where is it? This opening right here. And you can just put your flathead screwdriver in there and try to get under the battery a little bit. Is that the spot? Yeah, just using the corner of your flathead screwdriver, just try to work the battery up and out, and it will come out for you. You can then go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032. And when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side goes face down. Just pop it back in there, positive side down, and now we can put it back together. So just snap this back on there, and now we can slide this piece in, push it all the way until it snaps into place. And with that, you are good to go. You can make sure that the light is turning on, which means that your battery has juice in it, and you did everything correctly. So if you like this video, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this channel, as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.